I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. So Dollar Bead has sent me a curated bead box to try, which is their monthly subscription box that includes glass beads and charms or pendants, which have been specifically selected to provide you with a unique color combination or theme with which to create a number of decorative bracelets, necklaces, or other designs. The box is $20 a month, including shipping, and you can also buy previous boxes on curatedbeadbox.com for those who don't want a monthly subscription. And each box contains a starter's finding kit in either gold or silver, which includes crimp beads, elastic beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster clasps. So there's no need to go out and buy anything extra. Everything that you'll need is included in the box. And you can use my code MADCRAFTY35 to get 35% off your first box. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. So this box is the Sizzlin' Summer box. I love it. Very summery, lots of like sunbursty colors, which are my favorites. And they also have the model numbers next to the beads in case you want to buy a bunch more of the same kind of bead. You can just go on the website, type it in, and you get the beads you want. So that's really good. Okay, let's open it. So here's what it looks like inside. It's all wrapped. Ooh, there's so much in here. Okay, so this is the Finding Starter Kit. Let's open it up and see all the fun, creative options that they give you. So we've got some wire here. We also have some memory wire, which is my favorite because I love to make bangles with these. Here is some elastic ear wires, but I call these fish hooks. I'm not sure if they're the same thing. Gold jump rings, lobster clasps. And then I believe these are the crimp beads, head pins, and then these fun looking things. And in the box are also these really, pretty jewelry bags. They could be great if you're making a gift for someone or if you just want to store your beads in there. Okay, on to the beads. Okay, first we've got these. They're so whimsical. They're orange and kind of speckled. They remind me of like a dragon egg. I don't know, from like a Harry Potter or Game of Thrones. They're really beautiful. These would look great. I'm already, seeing a bracelet. Then I just love these. They're sort of like a glossy pink, very bubblegum, very cotton candy, very fun. Again, whimsical, just really beautiful and summery. And then we have these, which are so fun. They're red, white, and silver. Again, you've kind of got that marbly look. Okay, and then these might be my favorite. Oh, they're so fun. Look, they're like gold and peachy and just very shabby chic. I'm very into that. I think these would make fabulous earrings to maybe go with the white dress. Yeah, I'm gonna make these into earrings, slip them on some hoops. And then we have these. Honestly, I'm loving all of these beads. These are beads that I would pick out and purchase myself. I love that they're curated in a box for me, but these are totally my vibes. Very Mad Crafty, brights and fun and very candy-like, so I'm very, very happy with these too. And then here we've got some more glassy, kind of light pink or corally ones. And then these give off such a shimmery effect. You can kind of see them, you see them shine like that? Oh, that's great. Very beautiful. And then this last strand are kind of the basic glass. Also, they kind of sparkle too. Orange beads, these are, great to incorporate in kind of anything. I like the size of them. Yeah, these are gonna also look great in an earring. These big mama beads were also included. They're very beautiful. Kind of heavy, maybe not good for an earring, but definitely good for a bracelet or necklace. Okay, and last but not least, these are really cool. These are gold bead caps. I've never used bead caps before, but they're really very pretty. I could not only see them on beads, but I could also see them being used on a frame. All of them are an interesting shape, so you could just embellish anything you wanted with these. Hi from my craft room. I am now going to use as many beads as possible to make a complete set of jewelry. I'm really excited. I'm gonna make earrings, bracelet, maybe a necklace. Let's try it out and see what I can come up with. So I'm going to start with this memory wire and make a bracelet. I've already made a little loop on one side with my jewelry pliers. And on the topic of jewelry pliers, of course this kit does not include those, but if you're into jewelry making, you probably already own some. So I'm making a simple pattern with the brass curved tubes and some of the orange beads, which took me all of 5 minutes to complete. And And once I was done, I clipped it a bit and then used my jewelry pliers to make another loop at the end so the beads won't fall off. And here's what it looks like. Now I'm going to make a necklace using this jewelry wire. First, I'm slipping in a tiny crimp bead, followed by a clasp, and then I am taking the end of my wire and slipping that back through the crimp bead again, sort of sliding it to the end, and then I am taking my pliers to secure the clasp and smash the crimp bead down. Now it's tight and ready for beads. So I chose more orange beads, and for the first two, I'm putting them around that little tail end to hide it, just like this. And once that end is covered up enough, I just made another little snip. So now I'm continuing to add more beads. I picked another easy pattern and chose beads that were the lightest. I want this necklace to have more of a choker necklace vibe, so if you want to do that too, just make sure you measure around your neck properly. And now that I'm done, I'm doing the same crimp bead method that I did in the beginning, but this time with a jump ring instead of the lobster clasp. And then I'm just trimming and making sure all those ends are hidden, and just like that, my necklace is done. And now I'm going to make some simple earrings to match. For these, I'm using the head pins. Just gonna pick out 3 beads for these earrings here, and I'm making a loop at the top. So there are lots of YouTube videos on how to do this one step. I have definitely not nailed this down perfectly, but it's only my second time and will probably get better with practice. So if you're going to make earrings like these, definitely watch a tutorial. I will include one in the description box below that you can watch. But essentially, I'm just making a hoop and wrapping it around the top of the earring. And once that's done, I'm taking the fishhook earring, opening up the little jump ring a tiny bit so I can slide it onto the loop I just made, slipping it on, and then closing it back up. And there is a completed easy set of jewelry. And I still have so many beads left. Okay, that was so much fun. I made a bracelet, earrings, and like a choker little necklace. What I loved about this box is that all the beads match already. I didn't have to go downstairs and be like, Mom, does this bead match with this bead? It all went together, so there was no worry. I watched Netflix, and I enjoyed myself. And now I have a whole matching set to match my white dress. Very happy. Also, I would say I consider myself an advanced beginner in jewelry making, and I think this is perfect for someone who's an advanced beginner. I already own jewelry pliers because obviously the kit doesn't come with jewelry pliers, so I already had that stuff, which I did need to make my jewelry. But if you clicked this video, you possibly already have all of that stuff too. So overall, definitely 5 stars. Love the beads. Total greatness. Good, good, good. Thank you so much, Dollar Bead, for sending that to me. And just to remind you again, you can use my code MADCRAFTY35 to get 35% off your first box. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you could hit the little like button and consider subscribing to my channel to see more fun adult crafts with beads and stickers and subscriptions and unboxings and all kind of creative fun craftiness. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest at MadCrafty. And I'll see you next time. Bye. So my hair tie broke, but I just want to show you, just look at that. It really enhanced my outfit. I went from white, plain. I've got some orange, some summery, and it all matches. I really do love it. I'm usually not like a set person. I don't like get things in sets, but I'm into it.